Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Agix needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, Agix is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also seeing much of a pullback after getting rejected at our key area of resistance at around the $0.26 mark, in a move that has now given us a breakdown move, losing support at around the $0.2445 mark. And there are chances that in the next coming hours, if this continues, then we can continue heading further down into a target area that I will be sharing using the Fibonacci's. And to give you a better understanding of that, of how I come up with that target area, I want to first give you a recap of what has been happening on the Agix chart for the past 2 weeks, where you can see that on the 18th of October, we got a low at around the $0.15729 mark before we started this massive push to the upside, breaking above resistances in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.26 mark. And since that move was an impulsive move, we can now term that as the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. And there are chances that after getting rejected at resistance, we are now seeing much of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, Agix should continue gearing up, breaking above resistances in the formation of that wave 3, before we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And to give you the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.22133 mark and the $0.19687 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And there are chances that in case we continue heading further down, then this is the area within which Agix should find support, get a low in place for the second wave, and give us a massive reversal to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances. And that is what I'm watching out on the short term here on the Agix chart. And now jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis and what I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that Agix last year gave us these lows down here before we saw that impulsive move, giving us a high above the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and Agix is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1.18515 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And that is what I'm expecting Agix to do once the bull market is here in the formation of that wave 3. And I hope that video was of much help to you and I hope to catch you in the next one.